Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Today I'm going to have a Ajio haul. Yes, haul. You love hauls? Same here. Even I love hauls a lot. I like to make hauls. I like to watch hauls. Everything about hauls. So I'm here. Right. So now this is going to be a Ajio haul. This is not only related to one particular category. It is going to be a mixed category. Clothing item, bags, and footwear, and some purse or maybe wallet. Yeah, it is going to be a mixed haul. Right now, before moving ahead, let me just tell you my lip color. It is from Sugar. It is a Suede Secret matte lip color, gorgeous grape, shade number 17. This is the shade, okay, and it looks like this. It is from Sugar. Okay, this is the lip color what I'm having right now on my lip, because I do get sometimes comments. And if you are new to my channel and if you like to watch hauls, reviews of new launches and all, then definitely this is the right channel for you. Please take out a moment, consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there's a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, if you want, you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, don't forget to share also with your friends, right? And what else, if you want to become friends with me, definitely you can follow me on Instagram. I'll give you my Instagram ID also on the screen. You can follow me, or else if you want to ask me anything related to any particular thing and you don't want to comment, you can DM me over there also. There we can be friends. Now let's begin with the video. First I'll show you a clothing item which I got from Ajio. This is basically for my husband. It is a jean jacket. You all can see this is a jean jacket. Okay, right now I am not remembering the price of the particular garment, but don't worry, I'll put up on the screen. I'll tell you the MRP and the price on which I got, I'll put up on the screen so that it will be easy for you. This is from Ajio. Of course, this whole total haul is from Ajio, so I won't repeat. This is a denim jacket. Okay, it is from the brand High Star, original denim factory. That is what is written, and it is for the price 2499. I'm not sure whether the camera will capture. It is for 2499. It is written over here. If possible, I'll put up a picture. Basically, I'll give you the link, buying link. So definitely you can go in the comment section, click the link, and you can find this particular product. It is a collared jacket, total front open. You all can see these are the buttons. Okay, this is the these are two pockets on top. Basically my husband won't use this pocket. These are usable pockets, that is working pockets, but my husband won't use. Here they have two side pockets on both the sides. Full sleeves jacket with cuff and with buttons and sleeve and everything. And the main part of the jean jacket is they have pocket inside also. Here also one pocket, same way on this side, here also one pocket. So these are the I just remember the price, it was between 700 to 800. So this is one jean jacket for my husband. It is dark blue color and little bit wash out effect on sides and like little bit wash out effect. This is a jean jacket. So first item, clothing. Then I'll show you a footwear. Okay, I'll just get it here. This is a footwear. It is from the brand Red Tape. Yes, this is also for my husband, because every time I shop a lot for me, so sometimes I feel like not gifting him something, because all this money is of him only, but then sometimes I feel I should get something for him also, so that he never gets angry on me, but then still I wanted to give him something. So this is I'm not sure what color you call this, but this is the color of the shoes. This is from the Red Tape brand, and they have written Red Tape Flow with the memory foam system, Flow Plus. And you all can see here also they have given your Red Tape original tag. Inside also you all can see it is a fluorescent orange sole. You all can see inside. This is the bottom, that's it. This is the sole. Of course he has not used till now, and like I can just show you both the shoes together. These are both the shoes together. Okay, I'll tell you, he has ordered in the size UK 10. Okay, UK 10, and this is perfect, true to size. and this is retailing for 6,295 rupees. I'm not sure, as I told you, I'll give you the sale price on the screen. So definitely, though, this is the next item, shoes for my husband, and I told you the size also. They have lace also, but basically it is just for show. You just have to type over here, because this flap is not like, you cannot move, it is attached. So this is lace are only for show. So this is the next item down. Now we'll move towards a wallet. I wanted to show you a wallet. This is from the brand Wildhorn. It came in this kind of black box. I'll just open the box and I'll show you. This was a card which was given inside, and they said this is made from 100% original leather. I'm not sure, and if you prove it to be fake, they'll give you 100 times money back. That is what is written on this card. I'm not sure, and the MRP is written here, but I don't know, I'm not sure. It is 1,499 rupees. I don't know whether the camera will capture or no. This is the MRP, but it is very small, so I don't think the camera will capture. In any case, nonetheless, I have told you it is 1,499. This is the inside box. It came in this kind of, like you all can see, packaging, red with red like packaging and all, and this is the wallet. I'll just open the wallet. Of course, please excuse the noise of this plastic because I forgot to remove it. I'm so sorry. So this is the wallet. It's a male wallet, gents wallet, and you all can see here they have given you a symbol of a bull or something, I'm not sure, and over here they have given you some stamping or something, that is the engraving of the brand. When you open it, over here you have 1 2 3 credit card, over here 1 2 3, so total 3 3 6 7 slots for credit card, 1 slot over here, 1 slot over here. Again, for coins you have a tick button pocket for coins, and over here you have, you all can see, you all have 2 pockets, that is 1 flap, and it is divided into 2 flaps. Okay, so this is a wallet for him. He loves wallet, as I love purses, he loves wallet, of course. So 1 2 3 things down. I'll show you now 2 laptop bags. Yes, laptop bags, because you all know right now everyone is working from home, but we are expecting that the things are going to be normal and everything is going to be normal. So then maybe my husband needs to carry his laptop. So this is just a basic bag, not very high fundu bag. This is just for normal, and like he said ki this actually bag I got for myself, but I'll definitely give it to Arnav. So that is what he said, and I'm sure he will not use this. But then he got 2 bags. It is from the brand C&K, I think Charles, Chris and Kate. Okay, the MRP is 999 rupees. They have given over here the tag and everything. Chris and Kate, you all can see C&K. It is branding C&K bags. 1 front pocket, 1 pocket in the front. Okay, it is written Skywave, and a person is diving or something, and it has 2 main pockets. I'll just show you one, and this is the 1 pocket, this is the another pocket. It has a padding over here for laptop and a flap to keep your laptop safely, and actually the bag is very huge. You all can see, I can just show you opening it. See, the bottom is very huge, so you can like fit a lot of things in the bag, and it is kind of black and blue combination with a mesh pocket on the on the both the sides. So for bottle, for sanitizer and all, you all can keep. And this is one bag from Chris and Kate. This is the first bag. Same way he got another bag, but it is in grey, black and grey, blue and light blue, sky blue color. So this is again from the same brand, same MRP, 999 rupees, and they have given you over here, I'm not sure, this is the tag, Chris and Kate, this is the tag. This price will be visible, and I forgot to tell you, the straps of both the bags are padded, so it won't hurt on your shoulders, and the back side is mesh, sorry, You all can see this is mesh. Okay, so this is like, and this is same way. In this also, this is mesh, blue color. You all can see on the strap also grey blue straps, adjustable straps. Both the sides mesh pockets as it was in that bag. Same way, one zip front. Only the design difference is there and some printing difference is there. Same way, 2 pockets. First, with a padding for laptop also. And on the back side where you keep laptop, both the bags has double zipper. That is, you all can see double zipper. So if you want to lock it here and keep the bag, then definitely you can keep. Nobody will take your like things or laptop or something. You all can see this is one compartment for laptop. This is one. This is another, and there is one more compartment. 2 mesh pockets on the side for bottle, for sanitizer and everything. So this is the next bag from Ajio, Chris and Kate brand. And over here also they have given a small hoop. If you want to hang your bag somewhere, you can. And these are the 2 adjustable straps in both the bags. So this is the last and final item from Ajio. You will say, Meghna, you have not got anything for you. Yes, definitely I have not got anything for me. This was dedicated, basically one bag I am going to give it to my brother and one bag is for my house, that is either Arnav or my husband will use. I'm not sure who will use, or else I will use. I'm not sure who's going to use. And jean jacket, of course, for my husband, and the wallet for my husband. So, and shoes for my husband. So this basically, the whole haul is dedicated to my husband because I wanted to gift him some few things, and I know his selection, I know his choice, so I got all these things for him. So I have not got anything for me. I'm proud of myself that I have not got anything for me. Of course, I was tempted to buy one bag, but then I have lot of bags, so I never wanted to get some more right now at this moment. So yeah, if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Ask them also to subscribe my channel. Don't go without liking the video. Please, please, please. It takes a lot of effort making a video, editing and all. And you all know, you all are very smart viewers. You all know everything. Then why you all are not liking the video? Please like the video. And don't forget to comment. If you have any other video suggestions, you can let me know in the comment, or else you can DM me on Instagram also, right? Yeah, I'm wrapping up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.